Physics Practice Test 2026 Science Exam Questions and Answers Mechanics Thermodynamics Study Guide. Question 1. What is the SI unit of force? Watt, joule, Newton, Pascal. The Newton, N, is the unit of force. Question 2. According to Newton's second law, force equals mass times velocity, acceleration, time, distance. F equals ma, force equals mass * acceleration. Question 3. What is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth? Approximate 5.8 m/s², 9.8 m/s², 12.0 m/s², 1.6 m/s². Standard gravity is approximately 9.8 m/s². Question 4. Which law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction? Newton's first law, Newton's second law, Newton's third law, law of universal gravitation. This is the classic definition of Newton's third law. Question 5. Work is defined as force times Massachusetts acceleration, displacement, in the direction of force, velocity. W equals Fd cos theta. Question 6. What is the unit of energy? Newton, joule, watt, volt. The joule, J, is the SI unit of energy and work. Question 7. Kinetic energy is the energy of position, motion, heat, chemical bonds. Kinetic energy, 1/2 mv/2, is associated with the motion of an object. Question 8. The first law of thermodynamics is also known as the law of inertia, conservation of energy, entropy, action-reaction. It states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. Question 9. Which scale is the absolute temperature scale? Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Rankine. Kelvin starts at absolute zero. Question 10. What is entropy a measure of? Speed, force, disorder or randomness, energy concentration. The second law of thermodynamics relates to the increase of entropy in a system. Question 11. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to melt 1 kilogram of a substance, boil 1 kilogram of a substance, raise the temperature of 1 kilogram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius, turn a substance into a gas. It defines how much energy is required for a temperature change. Question 12. What is the primary mode of heat transfer through a solid metal rod? Convection, radiation, conduction, evaporation. Conduction is the transfer of heat through direct contact in solids. Question 13. What happens to the pressure of a gas if its volume decreases at constant temperature? Boyle's law. Pressure increases, pressure decreases, pressure remains the same, pressure drops to zero. Pressure and volume are inversely proportional in an ideal gas at constant temperature. Question 14. What is inertia? The rate of change of momentum, the resistance of an object to change its state of motion, the force of gravity, the speed of light. Inertia is the property of matter that resists changes in motion. Question 15. Power is the rate at which ______ is done. Force, work, velocity, mass. Power equals work/time, measured in watts. Question 16. Which of the following is a vector quantity? Massachusetts temperature, velocity, time. Velocity has both magnitude and direction, making it a vector. Question 17. What is the formula for momentum? M asterisk A, M asterisk V 1/2 mv caret 2, F asterisk D. Momentum, P, equals mass, M, asterisk velocity, V. Question 18. A heat engine converts thermal energy into chemical energy, mechanical work, nuclear energy, potential energy. Heat engines use heat to do work. Question 19. The zeroth law of thermodynamics defines the concept of entropy, work, thermal equilibrium, absolute zero. If two systems are in equilibrium with a third, they are in equilibrium with each other. Question 20. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Approximate. 3000 m/s, 300,000 kilometers per second, 30 million m/s, 340 m/s. Light travels at about 300,000 kilometers per second, 299,792,458 m/s.